Welcome back, dear children. Welcome to another session of our English class. Today we are going to learn about grammar. Lesson number 8, Adjectives and kinds of adjectives. What is an adjective, children? Yes, adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Okay, let's learn more about adjectives and kinds of adjectives. Children, an adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Examples: Sita is a clever girl. I don't like that boy. He gave me 5 mangoes. There is little time for preparation. Here, words like clever, that, 5, little. These words used with a noun to describe or point out the person, place, animal, thing which the noun names, or to tell the number or quantity. So, these are known as adjectives. Now, let's learn about kinds of adjectives. Adjectives can be classified into 8 kinds. They are: adjective of quality. Second one, adjective of quantity. Third one, adjective of number. Fourth one, demonstrative adjective. Fifth one, distributive adjective. Sixth one, interrogative adjective. Seventh one, possessive adjective. And eighth one, proper adjective. Let's see what is an adjectives of quality. Adjectives that express the kind or quality of a person or a thing are called adjectives of quality. Since they describe a person or a thing, they are also called descriptive adjectives. Examples: Kolkata is a large city. He is an honest man. Here, which are the adjectives, children? How to identify the adjectives of quality? Yes, adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. You will ask a question: what kind of city is Kolkata? We will get an answer. That answer is adjectives of quality. Okay, yes. What kind of city is Kolkata? Kolkata is a large city. So, large is a adjectives of quality. Children, there are 2 ways of using adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality may be used in 2 different ways. They are attributively and predicatively. In attributive, adjective is used along with the noun. Example: the lazy boy was punished. Here, the adjective lazy is used along with the noun boy. In predicatively, adjective is used along with the verb. Example: the boy is lazy. Here, the adjective lazy is used along with the verb. Which is the verb here? Is. Okay. Keep in mind, children, In attributively, adjective is used along with the noun. But in the case of predicatively, adjective is used along with the verb. Next kind of adjective is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives that tell us how much of a thing is intended are called adjectives of quantity. Examples: I ate some rice. He has lost all his wealth. He showed much patience. Here, the words like some, all, and much are adjectives of quantity. Now, let's summarize what we learned today. Today, we discussed about adjectives and kinds of adjectives. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Then we learned about adjectives of quality. What is adjectives of quality, children? Yes, adjectives that express the kind or quality of a person or a thing are called adjectives of quality. Then adjectives of quality may be used in two different ways. They are attributively and predicatively. In attributively, adjective is used along with the noun, but in the case of predicatively, adjective is used along with the verb. Then we learned about adjectives of quantity. Adjectives that tells us how much of a thing is intended are called adjectives of quantity. Okay, children, it's time to wind up the class. See you tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.